Collagen, collagen, collagen. Ever heard of it? Well, it is one of the latest celebrity trends. I mean, Kourtney Kardashian, Jennifer Garner, Olivia Culpo, those are just a few who are huge promoters of collagen. It helps with anti-aging, beautiful skin, and weight loss. Now, you guys know I love trying celebrity endorsed trends. So I jumped aboard this collagen trend. As you can see, I've tried many of them. And I've been doing it for about a month, but I'm skeptical.
A month?
Yes.
Just a month? All right, girl. You're not gonna see many results in a month. You gotta give it at least 3 months.
And this is why I love her. This is Jess Suchan. She has an amazing Instagram, Body Bliss by Jess. She's a holistic health coach, and she just came out with a sexy sugar cleanse, which I might be reviewing later on.
Please do.
But I called her up because I'm like, Jess, collagen's not doing anything. So I want her to kind of share with us what collagen is, give us the lowdown in like a Cliff Note version.
Collagen is the most abundant protein in our bodies. It makes up 90% of our connective tissue. It makes up 70% of our skin.
Okay.
And at about the age of 25, we lose between 1 and 1.5% of our collagen every single year thereafter.
So after you hit 25, you want to be taking collagen.
Absolutely. And that really goes to show in wrinkles, fine lines, skin elasticity.
Things we don't want.
Right. So by supplementing with collagen, it's already something we produce. So you're not adding something crazy into your diet that is foreign. It's something that we produce already. So by supplementing, you're gonna start to see that your skin's a little bit more glowy. It's a little bit more tight. You're not seeing as many wrinkles. And maybe your nails start to grow longer. Your hair starts to get a little bit thicker and grow faster. And in addition, it also helps to heal and seal the gut lining. So it's really good for people that have stomach problems, IBS. It's satiating. It's the most satiating or most filling protein out there, 40% more than other proteins. So when it comes to weight loss, it keeps you fuller for much longer. And that's one of the reasons that it's so beneficial in that arena.
Make sure to stick around to the very end of this video because Just Squared, we are gonna be hosting a really fun giveaway so that you guys can incorporate some collagen into your lifestyle. But now I'm so excited. We're gonna be doing a celebrity collagen taste test. So we're gonna try collagen 3 ways: the Kourtney Kardashian way, Olivia Culpo way, and Jennifer Garner way. Here we go. Taste test number 1 is the Kourtney Kardashian way. On her app, she revealed that she wakes up every single morning and she pours a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into water. And for collagen, she takes capsules.
And with the apple cider vinegar, it's actually really good for digestion and skin health.
Right.
And it's also really good for keeping you fuller for longer. So I imagine she's doing it paired with collagen because it just kind of amps up the benefit.
One thing Jess has told me is you have to take 6 capsules. Look how big these capsules are, and you have to take 6 every single morning
On an empty stomach. So you have to wait to eat breakfast too, which isn't necessarily the most convenient thing.
Right, like I wake up and I'm starving.
Right.
All right, well, here we go.
Good.
Taste test number 1.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ew, it looks like.
Oh man, let's take ours.
Ew, and it smells.
I don't mind it. I like the taste of it.
This is definitely like a weight loss version.
Absolutely.
To take collagen. You're still getting all the benefits of collagen and boosting it even more with the apple cider vinegar.
The only thing I would say about the capsules is that with the peptides or the protein powder, you're getting all that protein.
Yeah.
You're not getting that from these.
If you're like on the go and you want to get that collagen in your diet,
Yeah.
this would be a good way with the capsules. You could travel with it easy too. I'm not a huge fan of supplements. Okay, our second taste test is Olivia Culpo's way. She puts Vital Proteins collagen in her coffee. If you follow her on Instagram, she's always holding a coffee cup.
So true.
And she said that she loves it because you get the collagen, but it also has MCT oil.
Right.
And Vital Proteins actually has a collagen creamer.
I love this one.
You've tried it before?
I really like it.
So it says 2 scoops. 1, plop.
It's a little, I mean, you can see it from here. It's a little chunky, but we're gonna try mixing it.
Yeah. So yeah, you're right. It definitely is very hard to blend. It's like curdling and very chunky. Try it.
Yeah, I wanted you to try it. The way that I normally do it is I blend it.
Oh God, I think I got a big chunk. So you blend it.
Yeah. So you can see it's already got more of that little
Frothy.
Yep, frothy.
Wow, we just like made ourselves a little Starbucks latte right here. You know, now I want to try it.
Yeah, try it.
So you don't drink coffee?
So I don't drink coffee. I had to eliminate it when I had pretty serious migraines.
Okay, I could be down for this.
Game changer.
My thing though is that we put 2 scoops in, 140 calories. I'm a huge snacker, so I don't prefer to drink my calories.
I actually don't really snack, so my snack is that I'll do a scoop of matcha, a scoop of this, and then a little bit of almond milk and some organic stevia, and that's my snack because it gives me those healthy fats, the MCT oil, which helps boost metabolism,
right?
And it keeps me full. Yeah.
Another thing too, and the reason why I've actually stopped drinking as much coffee is because I've heard that coffee isn't good for your skin, but collagen is good for your skin. So isn't this kind of like...
Well, with coffee, you have to be mindful. For a lot of people, it can really screw with your blood sugar balance. It can dehydrate your skin. And for me, it was a trigger for my headaches. So you really just have to think about, you know, how does it make me feel? Check in with yourself and, you know, and if you're not feeling great, I would do collagen with a matcha because it's a cleaner, more calm, you know, spike in energy without the crash.
Right.
Yeah.
So this is a great way to wake up, get your collagen in, also have your coffee, and I could see why Olivia Culpo is down for this because you can take it and go.
If you are gonna have coffee, if you're adding those healthy fats and protein, that's a much better way to go than just starting with coffee on an empty stomach.
Yes.
Yeah.
So cheers. Cheers. Woo, we're having a lot of collagen today.
Oh yeah, I'm feeling it.
My skin is gonna be glowing tomorrow.
Yeah.
Just kidding. All right, so we're on our third and final taste test. This is how Jennifer Garner has her collagen. She has it in smoothie form. First things first, our collagen from Primal Kitchen. Jennifer Garner, along with other celebrities, love this brand. This one is the chocolate coconut.
It is so good. Have you had it?
Oh my gosh, I have this every single morning. And it's like a chocolate shake. 2 scoops of collagen protein. Then we put in about a handful of spinach for our greens, a tablespoon almond butter, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, flaxseed, a cup and a half of almond milk. I don't normally include this, but Jennifer Garner does. A little touch of blueberries. A little bit of ice to kind of make it thicker. Let's blend this up and try it. Do a little shake. Ooh, perfect. Yes, it is a shake, but it will definitely leave you full for a long time because you got your protein, your healthy fats, your greens, and your fiber.
Yeah, so it really should keep you full for 4 to 6 hours, and that's gonna keep you real happy and not thinking about food or craving sweets and carbs.
Okay.
Okay, let's see what it tastes like.
Cheers.
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 Cheers. That is delicious.
Oh my gosh.
That is so good.
It's honestly like, I feel like I'm cheating. But this is so good for you. You just gotta make sure you don't get any cheese.
I know, I was like, I don't want to smile now, but.
Now we're gonna do our reveal. Out of the 3 ways, which way do we like the best? With our lifestyle. Ready?
Yeah, ready.
On a count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
That was hard.
All right, so you like Olivia Culpo's way in coffee.
Yeah, well, so I would do matcha.
Right.
So I don't do coffee, but my favorite way would be to blend this up with the collagen creamer.
Yep.
Add a little extra almond milk, little stevia, and have this be my midday boost.
And I definitely love Jennifer Garner's way in smoothie. I honestly have this every single morning. I wake up and I crave this chocolate smoothie. It is my favorite. All right, so cheers.
Cheers.
Collagen cheers, collagen cheers. Now that we revealed our favorite ways to have collagen in our diet, we want to hear from you guys. So we're actually going to host a really fun giveaway where you guys can win some collagen. So it's very easy to enter. All you have to do is follow both of us on Instagram, Jess Carroll TV and
Body Bliss by Jess.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then here it is. You have to comment below letting us know which type you would do with your lifestyle. So are you a Kourtney Kardashian? Are you an Olivia Culpo? Or are you a Jennifer Garner? So let us know option 1, 2, or 3 what kind of celebrity you are, and you have the possibility to win some collagen.
Yay!
Which of course, to recap, gives you great skin, weight loss, and anti-aging.
And who doesn't want that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for joining me on this video.
This was so fun.
Great name, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
Jess.
I know.
Thank you guys so much for joining, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.